Right, the next concept we're looking at is factors. So factors are again linked to times tables, but they're actually the other way around. They're what times tables a number is on. So let's look at a relatively simple one. Let's look at 18. What times tables is 18 on? Now I would always do this systematically, starting at the lowest. So 1 times something is 18. Well, you and I both know it's 1 times 18. Having checked 1, 2 times something is 18. Well, it's 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 somethings are 18. Well, it's 6. 4 somethings are 18. If you know your times tables, you know that 4 doesn't work. 5 somethings are 18. And again, that doesn't work. And then I won't go to 6 because I've already got it. There's no need to repeat yourself. So these are the factors of 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. It's that full list of all the values that went in. All right, and you can see they come in pairs. Okay, and they come in pairs because multiplication is something times something else. So you should find, usually they come in pairs like this to make it nice and easy. Now, some numbers have loads of factors, some numbers don't have very many. So if we pick something like 72, that's got a lot. So it's got 1 72, it's got 2 36s, it's got 3 24s, 4 18s, I think. 5 doesn't go, but 6 does, I'm pretty sure. 6 12s, 6 12s. 7 doesn't, 8 does, 8 9s, 9 I've already got. That's a long old list. Okay? So here the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. All right. So if you've got certain numbers, they take there's a long old list. Other numbers, as we shall see, the list can get quite short. So if we try and go to the other end, what about 1? Well, 1 is just 1 times 1. And remember, don't repeat ourselves. So the factors of 1 is 1. That's a very, very short list. And there's no other number that has a list that short. 1 is very special. 1's the only number with 1 factor. A bit longer are numbers like 7, which is 1 times 7. 2 doesn't work. 3 doesn't go into 7. 4 doesn't go into 7. 5 doesn't go into 7. 6 doesn't go into 7. And 7, don't repeat myself. So that's a very, very short list. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So 18 has 6 different factors. 72 has, 12 different factors? So these are both what's called composite numbers or abundant numbers. 1 has exactly 1 factor, making it very special. 7 has 2 factors, exactly 2. Okay? And if a number has exactly 2 factors, it is called a prime number. So this 2 factors property is the definition of a prime number. If a number has exactly 2 factors, it is prime. Now I'll get to why they're important at some other time, but they're a number you need to be aware of and get used to their list. The last thing to show you is a number like 36. So 36 is 1 36, 2 18s, 3 12s, 4 9s, 5 doesn't work, 6, but a 6 6s. I don't want to repeat myself. So here we haven't got a pair. We've got a pair, a pair, a pair, a pair, and a lonely one. That's not a big deal. When you write the list, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. That's a perfectly valid list, but it breaks my pair pattern from earlier. We might have to think about what kind of number 36 is and why that's true. And again, we might go into that at some other time. So that's how we find factors of numbers, and that's all factors are. Enjoy.